Are you thinking about buying a home? If so, you're not alone. The housing market in the Bakken is hot right now, but that doesn't mean it's impossible to find the perfect home for you. Hi, I'm Eric Peterson, owner at Proven Realty, brokered by EXP. On October 18th from 5:30 to 7 at the Arc, we're hosting a Homebuyer Workshop free to the public to help you learn everything you need to know about buying a home in today's crazy market. At the workshop, you'll learn how to get pre-approved for a mortgage from the folks over at Major Mortgage. Also, how to find a home for you using our very powerful property search website, how to properly negotiate on a home, and more importantly, how to protect your home through the title process from the experts over at Williams County Abstract. You'll also have the chance to ask questions to our experienced real estate professionals. Space is limited, so register today at the link below. We look forward to seeing you there, and please give us a call anytime if you have any questions at Proven Realty, brokered by EXP.